Yeah, here's a quick update on my Chin's 300 amp hour battery install. These are going to be installed in series for 24 volts. And I've got these chargers here. I'm going to try to top them off individually to 14.2 and see if they balance a little better, because they're slightly out of balance looking at the individual cells. And then here's my kind of quick prototype layout here that's going to be on the board feeding these. First, we'll have the smart DC to DC coming off the alternator. This is a 24 volt alternator, so it's a 17 amps that'll be charging it when the engine's running. It's not a lot, but I'll also have these two AC chargers. These are 2412s, so they'll be running in parallel for 24 amps. And I can run those off of the existing inverter in the motorhome, off the AGM batteries if I need extra charging. So we'll combine that for 30 some amps of charging there, or close to 40 I think. And there'll be the fuse. Here's some terminal blocks that I'll be using there. So that's about it for this update, and we'll get those charging here. Okay, I got them both hooked up individually here, so they're both charging a single battery. And it looks like this one here's, I've got it set at 10 amps. This one's charging at 7, so just drop down. And then this one's charging, looks like about 7, so it's dropping down. So when those get down close to 0, they should be both fully charged. See if I can bring up the voltage on this one a little bit. Just got to fine tune on here. Yeah, there we go. So 1420, 1420. Now these chargers, they're I think about $45–50 a piece. Not too bad, but pretty handy for charging single batteries, and you can use it for a bench power supply too. So far I'm liking them. They're a Chinese brand, but seem to be working good. So that's the update for today. Thanks for watching.